Power strips are used everywhere in business, in particular where there are workstations with computers and other electronic equipment. It's uncommon for buildings to be set up with direct wired plugs that accommodate the power needs of all equipment, except in the most purpose-built facilities. And even then, configurations and equipment needs change all the time, and rewiring the facility is not always feasible or simply isn't part of the plan. I've made a point to a few IT professionals over the years about power strips they're forced to use when setting up workstations. I explained that power strips can probably handle much of what they are plugging in, but what worried me in a professional environment was what else ended up being plugged in over time by others. Space heaters being of the most concern. Many don't have an understanding of the uncommon dangers of overloading a circuit, and I would end up with examples like these from time to time. What I hope to parrot by sharing these clips here is not only the dangers of certain use cases of space heaters, but also that a lot of safety, in particular in the workplace, is about dangers that don't generally exist, or at least not to the same degree, in the home environment. To stay on topic, your circuits at home are unlikely to become overloaded with normal residential equipment. But install something like a mini fridge on one side of a bedroom and a space heater on the other, and the circuit that supplies these receptacles can easily become overloaded if the conditions are right. This is so much more likely in a work environment with needs, layouts, and conditions changing regularly. There is an old joke about checking accounts that may be analogous. A customer goes into the bank and complains that they bounced a check. The teller says, "Your last two checks overdrew your account." The customer pulls out their checkbook and says, "I can't be overdrawn. I still have checks left." Just because there is an open plug in the wall or power strip doesn't mean you have capacity left. Please keep this in mind and remember to check out the full video and all the other content on Technology Connections.
We aren't so scared of objectively dangerous things when we understand what those dangers actually are and how we can avoid them.
Life is risk. Manage it well.